Good morning, students. Today, continuing our same chapter, chapter number 1, Shapes and Spaces. You have learned about spaces, shapes, match the shapes, things which roll and slide. Today we will revise concept of spaces. Let us have a look at some examples to understand what different spaces are called. Spaces means position. In this PPT, we will see which is the top position, which is the bottom position, nearer and farther positions, on and under, above and below, biggest and smallest, inside and outside. Based on these spaces, some exercises are given in your book. You can do it with the help of this module. First of all, we will learn about top and bottom. What are the position of top and bottom? Observe the picture carefully. You can see here a bird and a dog. Check the position of bird and also check the position of dog. First of all, look at the bird. Where is the bird? Yes, the bird is at the top of the tree. Or dog? The dog is at the bottom of the tree. So the position of the bird is at the top and the position of the dog is at the bottom. Look at the next slide. Now look at the position of a dog and a cat. The cat is at the bottom of the stairs and the dog is at the top of the stairs. So the position of the dog is at the top of the stair and the position of the cat is at the bottom of the stairs. Top means upar and bottom means niche. So by this slide, you can know the position of top and bottom. What is top and what is bottom. Next, we will learn nearer and farther. Now again, we will understand this position nearer and farther by the example. Observe the picture carefully. You can see here a pigeon and a crow. The crow is nearer to the tree and the pigeon is farther from the tree. Crow tree के पास है, so the position is nearer. और pigeon tree से दूर है, तो the position of pigeon is farther. So in this slide, we can see the position of crow and a pigeon. और कौन सी पोजीशन हम देख रहे हैं? नियरर एंड फार्दर. नियरर मतलब पास में, फार्दर मतलब दूर. सो द क्रो इज नियरर टू द ट्री. ट्री के पास में है क्रो और पिजन ट्री से थोड़ा दूर है, तो पिजन इज फार्दर फ्रॉम द ट्री. अगेन the same concept, near and farther. You can see here a dog and a cat. इधर हमको डॉग दिख रहा है और एक कैट दिख रही है. कैट घर के पास में बैठी है और डॉग घर से थोड़ा दूर है. तो नियरर कौन है? कैट. फार्दर कौन है? डॉग. Check the positions of both the animals. The cat is nearer to the house. Position कैट की कहाँ है? Nearer to the house. And what about dog? The dog is farther from the house. House से थोड़ा सा दूर है. So you have learned the position of nearer and farther. What do you mean by nearer and farther? Now the next spaces on and under. Now tell me, what do you mean by on? On means upper. And what do you mean by under? Under means niche. I will explain you with a example. Now check this slide. Observe the picture. In this picture, the book is on the table and the bag is under the table. बुक कहाँ पर है? ऑन द टेबल, टेबल के ऊपर. और बैग कहाँ पर है? अंडर द टेबल, टेबल के नीचे. आई होप नाउ यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड what do you mean by on and what do you mean by under. On means ऊपर and under means नीचे. One more example. The jam is on the table. जैम कहाँ पर है? टेबल के ऊपर. And the cat is under the table. Where is the cat? The cat is under the table. So now you can learn what do you mean by on and under. I hope you understood what do you mean by on and under. Next, above and below. Observe the picture carefully. Above. Above means ऊपर and below means नीचे. In this picture, the fan is above the table. Where is the fan? फैन टेबल के ऊपर है, तो इट इज अबाउ द टेबल. और टेबल कहाँ है? फैन के नीचे, तो टेबल इज बिलो द फैन. अबाउ मीन्स उसके ऊपर और बिलो मीन्स उसके नीचे. इन दिस स्लाइड you can learn about above and below. Positions of above and below. Above means ऊपर and below means नीचे. In this picture, you can see the position of a rat and a clock. Where is rat? Rat is above the clock. और फिर clock कहाँ है? Clock is below the rat. Above, below. ऊपर, नीचे. उसके ऊपर, उसके नीचे. The rat is above the clock. Clock के ऊपर. And the clock is below the rat. Rat के नीचे. So, I hope you understood what do you mean by above and what do you mean by below. Next is biggest and smallest. In this you can learn the size. Sizes of 3 objects are given. One vase is given, one bucket is given and one ant is given there. 3 things are given on the table. Now you can check the size. Which is the biggest? Vase. Vase is the biggest. And which is the smallest? Ant is the smallest. Basket is bigger than ant. Ant is smaller than basket. But when we are looking 3 things, we can compare big, bigger, biggest, or small, smaller, smallest. So here in this slide we can see vase. Vase is the biggest of all the 3 and ant is the smallest of all the 3. In this slide again we can see 3 butterflies are given there. We can have the concept of small, smaller, smallest or big, bigger, biggest. So which is the smallest one? Yes, red butterfly. And which is the biggest one? Correct, purple butterfly. The purple butterfly is the biggest of all the 3 and the red butterfly is the smallest of all the 3. So in this 3 butterflies you can see the size, biggest as well as smallest. Next we will see inside and outside. Look at the picture carefully. A cat is there and a bucket is there. Where is the cat? Yes, the cat is inside the bucket. कहाँ पर है cat? Cat bucket के अंदर है. So what is the position of cat? The cat is inside the bucket. Bucket के अंदर. And now tell me, where is the cat? The cat is outside the well. अभी cat कहाँ पर है? Cat is outside the well. Well के बाहर, कुएं के बाहर. So inside मतलब अंदर और outside मतलब बाहर. So I hope student, now you have learned about the position of different objects. Inside, outside, big, bigger, biggest, small, small, smallest, above, below, on, under. These all things you have learned by looking this module. Now there are some exercises given in your book. Try to do it by yourself. We will meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye.